Life. We all understand it alike, but still have different ways of looking at it. We do realize its importance, yet we believe in dealing with it. In today's day and age, as we continue to sojourn in our daily grind, we seldom get a chance to take a pause and breathe new life. It is about time that we stop letting ourselves limit our being to just our share of strain and unleash much more to life and live it at its zenith. Nestled strategically in the most vibrant and prime areas of Dhaka city, EW Villa Medica Bangladesh is a global healthcare group founded in Germany in 1963. At EW Villa Medica, we make sure life doesn't bog you down. Our personalized and premium regenerative solution through integrating cell therapies, biomedical diagnostic, therapeutic devices, and advanced health programs leave you revitalized and rejuvenated.
Two main problems which our clients come to us with are different types of chronic diseases, and the second problem, of course, is aging. And our aim, our goal is to rise up the quality of their lives, which is much more efficient, much more convenient.
With the ever-changing consumer requirements and needs, we understand that a healthy heart, a young body, a free soul, and an illness-free life are the four essential must-haves of human life. Inspired by which is our four pillars of optimum health: diagnosis, detoxification, repair, and rejuvenation.
So if people ask me what sort of diseases do I treat, my usual answer is that we don't treat disease, we treat people. We treat the person as a whole. Quality of the treatment that will be offered in this center is absolutely up to the all international standards and by no means is compromised.
Our team of doctors, naturopaths, and scientists at EW Villa Medica are extremely competent and internationally renowned for their expertise. We are highly applauded for our own proprietary protocols and products. In the most challenging fields of age reversal, cancer, and other chronic degenerative diseases, we source, develop, and execute innovative treatments and therapies to a much greater effect.
And the flow or everything need to be synergized and give us impressive service flow to a customer that we call customer journey. This is the first thing. Another thing that we need to think about, how we could train the people, how we could make a staff here could deliver the good service exactly from Bangkok, like in Bangkok, in Germany, and everywhere in the world. This is our high standard that we cannot compromise.
Aging serves best when it's more about the experiences and the journey of life and less about the accumulation of damage in the body. At EW Villa Medica, we help you defy aging and restore your younger self, your beauty. Aesthetic therapies are designed differently for each client. We follow German standards and practice minimal invasive aesthetic treatment to retain your natural beauty and youthfulness.
Okay, now the European wellness has been in the market for the last 35 years. Okay, everything started in Switzerland and Germany, you know, and with a small two founders, and then they went on to create, and it becomes a big empire today. Today, we are so proud that Bangladesh is way ahead of India and Pakistan in terms of setting up one of the most advanced wellness center dealing with biological regenerative medicine. This is the 21st center additions to the European Wellness International Group.
strategically located in Dhaka, Bangladesh. EW Villa Medica becomes home to the aesthetic and regenerative healthcare treatment center for the Asia Pacific. EW Villa Medica, Bangladesh. Your choice to live life at its zenith.